Hey guys, I know many of you guys have difficulty in learning these two steps in the she bugging dance tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna explain in very slow manner that you will get it very easily. Please do it with me. Okay, let's go. Okay, the first step is this one. So what you have to do is first start with only jump. Okay, just jump like this. One, two, three, four. Without any kicking, just jump like one, two, three, four. Now, what you have to do is you have to add the kick into it. Okay, so right kick, left kick, right kick again, left kick again. So do it like this: one, two, three, four. The thing is, when I kick my right leg, my left leg is going little bit back. Okay, like this. One. You can see one. Then now left leg is kicking, then right leg should go back. So like this. So together, one, two. You got it? Okay. So you have to practice this. First, you can practice by just jumping. Then you can practice by adding the kick. Then practice by shifting the other leg backwards like this. Okay. I hope you got it. Okay, the next difficult step I think you guys are facing is to do this step, like this step. So this is also a little bit difficult, but I will explain in very slow manner. First, you have to jump to your left side. Just jump. Okay. Now you have to lift your right leg. So together and make the jump very little. Okay, so like this. Not you have don't have to jump like this. Just very little jump. Okay. Now place your right leg like this and twist it to the right side. Okay, so again, one, two, three. And now when you twist your left leg to the sorry, now when you twist your right leg to the right side, your left leg should go back like this. Okay, so together, like it will look like this. Easy. So practice this only. Okay, like this: one, two, three. Practice that and add to the first jump like one, two, three. Again, one, two, three. One, two, three. So from this position, we are jumping like this. Okay, so like one, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, three, two, three. That's it. Like after learning these steps, this jump will come naturally. Okay, you don't have to jump like big jump. It should be a little small. It should not look like a jump. It should look like only like this. That's it. So I hope you guys understood. So practice, practice, practice more. And if you have any doubts, please write down in the comment section and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.